Hello guys, my name is Jonathan Rojas. I'm a day trader from Chile. I've been working as a day trader for the past 3 years, 3.5 years, something like that. And I have around 12 years of experience in the financial markets, doing different jobs, not everything related to trading. In this, a few weeks ago, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I got the response from a day trading competition here in Latin America. I got fourth out of 50,000 or something like that. I'm gonna ask my editor that put the information or the confirmation, the validation over here. I'm doing this weird guess that probably he's gonna fix and put the information right here. And I just wanna uh, let you know that finally we came up to a strategy that we trans transfer into just the simple operational part into an expert advisor, and that's why we are here. I mean, that's why I'm talking to you. And I just want to let you know or show you basically the results that we get in the back testing, but at the same time, I just want to let you know how it works without going into any specific. Basically what the strategy does, or the idea of the algorithm behind the expert advisor, it's to capitalize on this big move or these trendy markets when they go really in one direction. It can be bear or bull, it doesn't matter, but it has a specific way to position it itself. I mean, to take trades. It only takes 1 or 2 trades a day, maximum of 2 trades a day. It can take one in the market opening of New York stock market, and when the stock market of New York opens, it can take one of them, one of the trades over there, and it can take another one in the JPY in Japan session. Basically, you got 2 sessions, maximum of 2 trades, 1% each of risk, and it's 1 to 7. So basically, when you lose one, you may lose one, but you can lose. I mean, win 7. So that's the idea behind the strategy. I just wanna, before we go directly to MetaTrader to check how it works and how you can set it up in your PC and everything else. I just want to let you know something really important. There's no such a thing like perfect strategy. This strategy has some ups and downs, and you're gonna see it. I'm gonna be completely honest about it. I don't have anything to hide about the results of this strategy, but I just want to let you know that this strategy is not like perfect. Every month it's not like every month it's gonna give you 10%. It fluctuates between a range, and that's something that we are going to check. We want to see if someone say to you this strategy never loses, probably is not completely it being completely honest. So with that in mind, what about if we go to check how to set this into your computer, and at the same time how you can run your own test and see for yourself the result that the strategy has. So come with me and let's check the results of the strategy. So here we are, guys, basically in the cover of the MQL5. If you want to find the strategy that probably you already know because this is the video of it, you're gonna need to put Propfirm. You can just type prop, and you're gonna okay, Propfirm. It doesn't work with prop. So over here we have a Propfirm. This is our strategy. Please do not take this pricing as the final one. I'm gonna change this. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm just gonna rent it, and these numbers are gonna be changed. Here for a month, I'm gonna be charging $30, and for the 3 months, 60 and stuff like that. I have a full table that I'm gonna show you with the correct pricing. I cannot change it right now. It's gonna take me a few hours. So probably when you see this video, this is not gonna be an issue. And if you wanted to basically download the demo and do your own testing, you can do it over here. You press over here. Yes, I have MetaTrader. Open MetaTrader client terminal, and you're gonna see this one. Probably it's gonna say over here download, and you're gonna get your expert advisor from the market over here. This is the test one, you see, because it's a buy for this one, but it doesn't work like that. I'm gonna change that, and you can do test. And when you do test, over here is you're gonna get the strategy tester basically. So uh, let's try it out. For the strategy, I mean for the testing of the strategy, I'm gonna ask you to go directly to USD because that's the currency that we have been work on. I mean the backtesting and the strategy was meant to work for this pair. And into 5 minutes time frame, basically the strategy is tested. Over here, you can change the period for whatever you want. So specifically, we were working in the past 2 years to check this information, and over here, I'm gonna show you basically the final result for each month. This is the final table. This is every month. I'm gonna give you a little extra zoom so you can see for yourself what it does, how much it gives you. And so this you can test it. I mean, you can test this. You can test every month, whatever. I mean, right now I would like you to do with me a test. Let's do 2 months for each year, a good one and a bad one. I'm gonna do a middle one, probably this one, October of 2021. So I'm gonna go to my MetaTrader 5. I'm gonna go October of 2021, the full month. So October up to the 31, and I'm gonna press start over here, and I can check the graph. If you see, you're gonna notice that over here, for example, this is the lowest of the low in the month. So I get around, if I hover my mouse, 9,586, something like that. Yeah, 946. And if I go to the board, I get the same number. So this is the lowest of the low, 9,486. That's minus 5.14% in the month. But at the same time, I have the highest of the high in the month. That is this one. This is the equity, and I got 11,315, basically 13.15% in the month. So it matches the table that I just showed you. I'm gonna add basically I'm gonna add a photo of this so you can check it directly, and you can compare yourself or compare your backtesting with this. What about a bad month? For example, the worst month is November. So let's do a test for November. I'm not gonna show you just the ugly, the amazing part of it. I'm gonna show you the bad one, the bad part. So over here, you see straight away that this is a lost month. So in my mind, or the idea of the strategy is not for you to get a funded account and never lose it. It's to get a funded account 1 or 2 times, maybe 3 times, if you get lucky, like the 2022, almost the full year, and you can manage yourself to get a few bucks. For example, over here, if January was a good month, you get the first demo part, I mean the first stage, then you get the second stage, and then you just earn 19%. Personally, I like to aim for a 6% after you pass the challenge. So basically, this is going to give you like around $600 if you close all your positions over here. In the next month, you lose your account, you lose your Propfirm account, and the next month you try again. So this is a new try. I'm gonna do it with the $10,000 account in my Forex fund. This is the pricing that they have. In the second run, when you already lose one account, you can do a retest for minus 10%. This is like $87 or something like that. I'm gonna put over here 87, and I'm gonna put over here 70. And at the same time, when you manage to get your funded account over here, I mean, you lose your account, you try again, you don't get it, and then you can do another try over here. So basically, it's going to cost you $17 again, but you pass it this time. Then you don't get it because you need 5%, and you get it over here because most of these companies let you try again in the stage where you get it, and this is the final result. So over here, basically, you get it again, and on the next month, again, $600. And then you lose your account, and then you pass your account again. So over here, 70. So if you notice, I mean, the strategy right now is gonna be for 3 months. It's gonna be charging or the pricing is gonna be $60. So every 3 months, basically, you're gonna need to be paying $60. So something like that. These are all expensive. This $477, and over here is all your returns. This is $12,000. I mean $1,200. This minus your expenses, your net profit in the year is $723. This is for a bad year, so have that in mind. This is a bad year. You lose your account 2 times, but you pass your account 2 times, and you're set it up for the next year after December with a 23%. So if we do the same like exercise with 2022, it's gonna be insane, because over here you manage yourself to get your first stage of the funded account, and so this is you're gonna be spending 85. Well, I'm gonna put over here the expenses. So 85, you need to pay 60 for the 3 months, but you get funded, and this 60 are over here. This is gonna be, I'm gonna put some titles over here. This is challenge, this is EA, and this is profit. It's better that way. So over here, basically you get 85 for the challenge. Over here you pass to the second account, and over here you get your 6%, that is $600. Then again, then you get minus 8%. Over here, there's something funny. This 8% doesn't remove your account or doesn't make you lose it. So you don't earn anything this month, but at the next month you get 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, because every single one of them are 60 or above. So you need basically only pay for the IA, that's every 3 months. So well, I'm gonna put another one just because, and your expenses for the year will be 325, and your net profit, I mean your profit without any discount is something like that. So basically you can earn around 50% of the $10,000 in 2022. Right now we are currently in 2023. So how does it work in 2023? Let's do a quick test. So for example, if you, sorry, that's my bad, manage to get, for example, the account in January, you did your first run of the Propfirm. Sorry, my bad, I went wrong with the dates. This is 2023, not 2022. Sorry. You can play with this. How much do you? I mean, whatever you want. You can do whatever with the backtesting helper. Over here I have like the lowest of the low was 9,606, and the highest of the high is 9%. So I lose, the maximum of the losing was 4%. My maximum of profit was 9%. So if it's my Forex fund who ask for 8%, basically you get your first step or your first phase already done. In February, we get a bad result. So you lose your account. Sounds bad. But if we go up to March in this year, sorry, my bad, the full month of March. So this is a special consideration. If you want to try your challenge, try to do it at the beginning of the month, the first. So avoid for any reason to get in the middle, like I don't know, in the 15 or 20. Try to do it in the first month. That's my recommendation. Is how is the back testing has been done, and you get these results. So if you don't change that, that will be amazing. So in March, that's the month that we are currently seeing, you can see that the equity, the balance of the account went up to minus 5 point something percent. but at the same time, you get 25% in March. So you get again your first step or first phase of the challenge done. And in the next month, that is the current one, when I'm like doing this video, you only need 5%. Most of this Propfirm account, the first month is like the big one, 10, 20, or I mean 10, 12, 8%. And the second one almost always is around 5%. So basically we need 5%. And in August, and the day at the 4th of the current month, you get $600. Basically, you get your funded account. And I'm gonna tell you like wait until the 1st of May so you can do your split profit in this month. So that's it. I mean, you can check any month you like. We didn't check any month of this current year. I mean, the biggest one and the highest of the 2022 is January. So let's check this month, and we might check the other month, the May. So January of the last year, the full month, and we can see the graph over here. Maximum is around 35%. That's exactly what the board say, and the lowest is minus 1%. That probably is over here. Yeah, that's over here. And we got another one. I'm gonna do a quick May. That's the one we are missing. Sorry, my bad. That's May. And over here, you can see the dip down and the final one that's 9,200. And but if you get this final result in the next month, basically you net yourself and then it's full profit. So yeah, that's it. I mean, that's the stuff. I just wanna I think that I show you this like really quickly. The pricing that it has right now in over here that you can see the rental one is not the correct one. These are gonna be the prices. These are US dollars, $30 for the first month for 1 month, 60 $60 for 3, 120 for 6, and 210 for a year. These prices are gonna be like this for the first one up to 4 or 5 months, right? So after, because this strategy is just new, I just tested the information like backward. I mean, I just did the back testing myself like a few weeks ago. It took us around 1 week to make it into, I mean, to put it up in the MQL5 webpage. So that's why my pricing was so wrong. I was all over the place because it wasn't created. I mean, this strategy wasn't created with the idea of selling it. It was created with the idea of me, for me, for not to be like emotional about it and live like a bot or like in this case this expert advisor running. So it comes to solve an issue that I have, and when I noticed the backtesting data, I was like, okay, this maybe we can add some people to this, and MQL5 was the only way to do it in a really like ordained or like the way it is supposed to be. It is supposed to be. So from the month, from the first month, I mean this month and the next one, up to like I don't know half of the year or probably or a few months later, you get this pricing. If this strategy does what it needs to be, in 6 to 8 months, it's going to change its pricing because every single person that has passed already, you just saw what you can get from 2022 and you just saw what you can get from 2021. If you pass your challenge, you're going to have extra money or whatever. And because I have already the for how can I say, like I have proof that the strategy works. in a live testing environment. So obviously the pricing is not going to be the same. This is an entry price, this is a middle price, and if I have enough people passing the challenge like month to month, I mean it's gonna change. Every single person who start with me right now proving or testing the strategy is gonna have this pricing, and in a few months or probably in a year or so from now it's gonna have this pricing over here. Sorry, I just changed it. This is, I'm being completely honest with you guys, so I don't want to like you just saw this is the strategy, so you don't get this pricing like the final one. This is these are the correct one for what I just said. um, uh, if you have any questions or anything about the strategy, how to use it, how to manage, how can I put it, why doesn't that does this or that, in the description of the strategy is the Discord. I have a Discord. There's not like a such big operation. There are only three of us. There we were working in this one, so I am bilingual. I can speak with you guys. Any issue, any question that you have, if you want to do it before or after you buy the IA, I don't have any issues to answer. And be you are invited to our Discord and ask whatever. And at the same time, you can leave a comment in market over here in the MQL5. You can, when you buy the stuff over here, you get a discussion fee, so you can write whatever if you have any question. If you don't want to go to the Discord and you want to do it from in the web page, I don't have any issues with that. I am completely, I was just saying in the intro that this is my full-time day job. So basically, if you wanna leave a comment, I'm gonna answer you, and if you have any question or proposition or whatever, you can go to the Discord. You are invited to do so. So that's it, guys. I mean, these numbers are really healthy numbers. That there's nothing. I'm not hiding anything. You can test every single month over here. You can do it by yourself. I'm gonna show. Yeah, I just show you how to install the stuff and how to run the backtest. You can do any month from 2021. You if even if you're like I don't know if these numbers are correct, just go check for yourself and see the numbers. And another thing that I just want to mention is that if you don't have in mind the idea of using like a Propfirm test or like a Propfirm uh, passing helper or whatever, you can do a quick run that I just did a few minutes ago before I did this video. If you go, for example, from the 2021, 2 years from where we are right now, and you do the testing up to now. So if you wanna invest a bit long term, you can see for yourself. I am generating this right now. You can do it in your own computer. This is not some manipulated information because this use metaquote demo data. You can see for yourself that in 2 years you manage yourself to get around $24,000 of profit in 2 years, basically 240% in 2 years. So this is that's the number that this thing gives you. So you can let it run, or you can use it to pass your Propfirm challenge trade. That's it, it has both of double purpose. Be careful, yeah. I mean, of course, because this strategy has a 16.9% in the long run of winning trades. So basically, you lose around 83% of the times. So have that in mind. This is a if you notice, this is a $10,000 account, and if you notice over here, you have a few numbers in terms of what is the profit trade and how long is the I mean how much is the losing trade. Um, so you can do this yourself. You can test it in a long term, but it's up to you. I mean, this is a tool. You can use it however you want. But the idea behind this was to be able to pass the challenge with this structure, But if you want to do it in a long term, in a long run, I suggest to stick up to 6%, or maybe if you want to do it, I just want to put the money and leave it like that. You just be careful around which time your PC is running, because it's needed for you to have your PC running at the start of the stock market opening for the New York stock opening market and for the JPY. So I think that's it. If you have any question or anything, I just was saying, go to the Discord, write anything, or you can call me or whatever. Or if you need a quick, I don't know, if you have some questions, I can help you to install the stuff. And yeah, or leave a comment in MQL5 forum. I'm gonna be glad to answer anything. So that's it, guys. I hope you have an amazing day. Let's make money together. See you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.